interesting words coming out of your mouth.
But I got a map. Pirate treasure. Gold balloons.
You mean gold doubloons?
No, balloons. Look here.
Oh, Uncle Leo, this isn't a real treasure map. This is just a cereal box.
I am done with you like day-old shoes, Paco!
Pablo.
Oh! And I hated your present.
Oh!
No worries. I got plenty of time before the art show.
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night. Sure, whatever. Tomorrow night. I don't have any time. Oh no, I've got to paint. No, sculpt. No, paint and sculpt and chisel. I must do both. Wait! Oh, anytime you want to take these guys back to Italy, just let me know.
I'll handle this, bro.
I am the superior artist. Behold the glory that is Cuba! I mean, Sherry, my daughter, Sherry. Everyone's a critic.